Hello everyone, my name is Preet and today we're going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. Today is 25th of July 2017, so we're going to analyze the market price action on tradingview.com. So in this chart we can see that the market, like, from uh, from from uh, from April, it just went up until June 12th. So right now what the market is doing, so I'm gonna use my technicals analysis on these. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the support and resistance up there first. So there is a support and resistance lines up there, and I can see a zone here too, like zone is a particular area where the market been there and jump up or bump up, right? So this is a zone I can see. So in the zone I can see there's a price action and the zigzag motions in there. So that it just makes some spikes up there, and the market just pull up again, bring it down on the same spot, pull up, and making some noise, come with the spikes, pull up again, come up, sport it, pull up, big candle to break. So always these support and resistance, or always these support and resistance lines, these lines always break with big candles. So all these are the, so what we call these ones, these candles, these are the Japanese candlestick. So with this pattern we're gonna see, like, what should be the next trend for the market. So this is the trend line. So we can see the trend was downward before, not now, before. All right. So according to the market price action, the market was making lower highs and lower lows. All right. So lower high, lower low means, if you have read about, if you know about Forex or the binary things, so these are the like simplest language for that technical analysis. So it was making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it was making, so on the downtrend it was making lower high, lower lows, right? So always, like I said, support or resistance, those trend lines always gonna break with the big candle. So it broken with the big candle. So now what is market is doing, market went up, all the way up, and what the market did, market just came down this support or resistance line, broken with the big candle, came down. Now what is doing, this is just kind of retesting this zone, support or resistance zone we can call it, or retesting that support and resistance lines. So what it may do now, so what it may do now, so it may come down here, went up, it may come down here, went up, it may come down, big candle to break, then we can't see, it may go down as well, it may go up. So if it came here, if it gonna come here in the future or somewhere, because as we know the news is coming on July, on 31st of August, right, about that hardcore and a hard fork and the soft fork, that news about the Bitcoin. So it can make a big impact on Bitcoin price as well. So what we can do is, right now, if we go on Poloniex, so what the people are doing, they are just kind of buying those Bitcoin mostly. The reason is, they know, those people who know about the technical analysis, the market is on the support and resistance zone. If the market gives, if we go, so right now we are on 4 hour time frame, if we go on the lower time frame, if the market gives us a good reversal candlestick pattern is the thing when we can see it, the market gonna go up on the spot. So if we see a green candle here, after, so this candle, the 1 hour candle, is going to finish in 7 minutes and 25 seconds. So if we got the candle, the green candle like this, the bigger than the red one. All right, let me color it. Shit. Let me color it green. So if we get the candle like this one, bigger than the red one, a little bigger, not a too big, but a little bigger, then what we gonna call it? It's gonna be bullish engulfing candle. So if we get this candle, so we're gonna know for sure the market gonna go up, and the market should go up until here. So those people who are in Poloniex or in the trading section, they can just buy after this bullish engulfing or any other reversing candlestick pattern. So this is the price, and this is the update I wanna give to all the people, those whoever buy or whoever wanna sell it. I won't be I won't be I won't be going to suggest you guys to just sell the Bitcoin right now, because as the price is on the support or resistance zone, it may came down, it may goes up until and unless we can't until and unless we see a reversal candlestick pattern right now. If not, for sure, if the market gonna go down, it's gonna go right way down. What we gonna go instantly. So the reason is, like I said, there is a support and resistance zone, and the trend line is coming up there too. So it may retest here, it may retest here and goes up. We can't say anything until after 1 hour if we see any other reversal candlestick pattern, the green one. So that's the update I want to give you guys, and hope you guys enjoying with the Bitcoins, and happy trading. And yeah, just be careful with the newses and all those things, and just just be ready before the news comes up on 31st of August. All right, you take care. Bye bye.